Welcome back to the Ponch video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw using Python. So let's get started. This is only going to be done in 3 lines, or if it doesn't get done in 3 lines, I'm betting. Okay, so firstly, we can go to the terminal and type pip install Sketchfile. The code hasn't started yet because this is just everything we need. Okay, so we're done installing. Now let me show you how to draw in 3 lines. In my last video where I showed you how to draw a virus, it took me around 20 lines. So in this video, I'm going to be defeating that. Okay, so first, from Sketchfile, import library as lib. That's one nice. So from Sketchfile, the module, it will import its library, and name it lib. Then I'm going to name like raw underscore object. It's going to be equal to lib dot. Then we have all of this. I'm going to be drawing Tom Holland. Then I can put parentheses. That's 2 lines. So our drawing object will be lib dot Tom Holland. That means we're going to be drawing Tom Holland. The next what we can do is draw object. So draw object dot draw. So dot draw. And that's it. 3 lines. Now if I run it, as you can see, if I wait a few seconds, it's going to be quickly drawing Tom Holland, the actor in Spider-Man. As you can see, it drew Tom Holland. Like, that's very good. Now what can it? Now this is how to draw anything using Python. I hope you like it. Please like, subscribe. Until next time, the Pond video time is